Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be guiding you through the steps to make a successful gig on Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where you can offer your skills and services for a fee. Let's dive in! Step 1. Create your Fiverr account. To start making gigs on Fiverr, you'll need to create an account. Sign up using your email address and a secure password. Once you've registered, log in and head over to your account settings. Step 2. Choose a niche and set your price. First, decide on a niche for your gig. This could be anything from graphic design to writing services. Next, set a price that reflects your skill and the time required to complete the gig. Be sure to keep your rates in line with competition and the market rate. Step 3. Create your gig and add details. Once you've set your price and niche, it's time to create your gig. Click on the Gig tab at the top of your screen, then click on Create a Gig. In the Gig Details section, write a brief description of your service and any additional information customers may need to know. Add a clear title for your gig, and choose a category that best fits your service. Step 4. Edit and finalize your gig. Now that your gig is created, make any last-minute changes if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the gig, click Save and Continue. Step 5. Submit your gig to Fiverr. After you're ready to sell your gig, click Submit on the Gig tab at the top of your screen. Fiverr will then review your gig and, if it's appropriate, list it for sale. That's it. Now you can start getting offers for your gig on Fiverr. Good luck and happy gigging!